Today, we're diving into the Generac 6883 50-feet cord and reel kit, a game-changer for portable generator users. This kit provides a plug-in hub away from your generator, allowing you to safely operate your generator from a distance. With a generous 50-foot 14-gauge cord, you have the flexibility to place your generator wherever you need it while still accessing power where you need it most. And with 4 15-amp, 125V outlets, you'll have plenty of options to connect your devices and appliances. Plus, rest assured knowing this kit is UL approved, meeting rigorous safety standards. The reel design keeps your cord neat and organized, minimizing tangling and making storage a breeze. Whether you're camping off-grid, hosting an outdoor event, or need backup power during emergencies, the Generac 6883 cord and reel kit is a reliable companion. It's sturdy, well-built, and provides the convenience and peace of mind you need when relying on portable power solutions. Upgrade your setup today with the Generac 6883 50-feet cord and reel kit and experience the freedom and versatility it offers. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.